Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that many of us have faced at some point: dandruff. Those annoying white flakes on your scalp and shoulders can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to help you get rid of them once and for all. In this video, we'll go through step-by-step methods that are proven to work, and I'll make sure to explain everything in simple terms so that you can easily follow along. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Before we go into the solutions, it's important to understand what dandruff actually is. Dandruff occurs when the scalp sheds dead skin cells more rapidly than usual. This can be due to a variety of factors, including dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, or a yeast-like fungus called Malassezia that feeds on the oils on your scalp. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Dermatology Research back in 2015 explained that Malassezia is the most common culprit behind dandruff. So, the key to getting rid of dandruff is to control this fungus and maintain a healthy scalp. Now here are time-tested ways to get rid of dandruff. Choose the right shampoo. Let's start with the most straightforward solution: using the right shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoos are specially formulated to target the root causes of dandruff. When you're shopping for one, look for active ingredients like the following: zinc pyrithione. Known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, it's one of the most effective ingredients against dandruff. Selenium sulfide. This helps slow down the production of skin cells and fights the fungus causing dandruff. Ketoconazole. This is a powerful antifungal that can keep dandruff under control. Make sure to read the label and choose a shampoo that contains one of these ingredients. A study conducted by the American Academy of Dermatology in 2018 found that using these shampoos 2 to 3 times a week can significantly reduce dandruff. To use it, wet your hair thoroughly, apply the shampoo, and gently massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least 5 minutes to let the active ingredients do their job before rinsing it out. Natural remedies for dandruff. If you prefer natural solutions, there are a few remedies you can try at home. These are backed by some pretty solid evidence. Coconut oil. This is a fantastic moisturizer and has antifungal properties that can reduce dandruff. A study published in 2008 in the Journal of Dermatology showed that applying coconut oil to the scalp reduced dandruff in 68% of participants. To use it, warm up a few tablespoons of coconut oil, apply it to your scalp, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out with a gentle shampoo. Tea tree oil. Another powerful natural remedy. A 2002 study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that shampoos with 5% tea tree oil significantly improved dandruff symptoms. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo or mix it with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it directly to your scalp. Apple cider vinegar. This can help balance the pH of your scalp and reduce the growth of fungus. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, apply it to your scalp, and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has cooling properties and can soothe an itchy scalp while also providing moisture. Simply apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off. Maintain a healthy scalp. Beyond using anti-dandruff products, there are some habits you can adopt to keep dandruff at bay. Regular washing. Wash your hair regularly to keep your scalp clean and prevent the buildup of oils and dead skin cells. If you have oily hair, you might need to wash it more frequently. Avoid harsh products. Be mindful of hair products that contain alcohol or other harsh chemicals, as they can irritate your scalp and make dandruff worse. Stick to gentle, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners. Stay hydrated and eat well. Believe it or not, what you eat and drink can affect your scalp health. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods high in zinc, B vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for your scalp. And that's it. By following these steps and using the right products, you can get rid of dandruff and keep your scalp healthy. Remember, consistency is key, so stick with your routine and give your scalp some time to heal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with dandruff. And hey, if you have any other tips or questions, leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.